aka as well as Mr. Tabelo, aka as well as Mr. Tabelo Motswane, who's also known as Tips. The incident that happened, aka as well as Mr. Tabelo Motswane, who's also known as Tips. The incident that happened on the 10th of February in Florida, here in Devon. These 6, they played different roles during the operation. We have a coordinator who's basically the master of everything, is in custody. We have 2 shooters that you also on social media. We have 2 spotters that were part. One of the spotters was inside the restaurant observing and watching Mr. Forbes and his friends, as well as the organizer of firearms and vehicles, because the vehicle used as getaway, firearms that were used to shoot, the all hired. As I said, the 6 of them. The spotter initially followed Mr. Forbes from the airport on arrival, all the way to the hotel, as well as to the restaurant where the incident happened.